Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. Today's layout is for day 7 of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And I know it's like the 10th of March today when I'm filming this, so I am behind, but I hope to catch up this week. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, doesn't matter. They get done when they get done. Today's sketch is by Angie Sailor Elette. I'm sorry, I'm not even going to try and pronounce that surname. I'm so sorry, Angie. Really fun sketch. Now, it was really pale, so I went over it in pencil so that you could see it a little bit better. I've probably already popped it up on the screen anyway. But yeah, so I'm going to do this one, I think, I was going to say live, but like, I'm not going to break to speed you up and put music over the top because I don't think it's going to take long, this layout. Now, I have some, what's it called? Chipboard heading here. It's golf. I have painted. I did gesso it first and then went over it with acrylic paints, and it didn't come up that great. You can see the marks where I painted, but it fits in with the page because the page is about golf, obviously. So it's like the grass and the different grains of grass, and I'm going with that. Okay, let's go with that. These were a double pack of the golf bag and clubs. Again, gessoed them and painted them. Not even sure they're dried properly. No, they're not, because I've got gesso on me from the back of that, and you can see I've just painted them because I still got paint on my fingers anyway. And then I have this cool stamp set which is really old, and it has in it a fisherman, a golfer, and a handyman. So I stamped out the golfer and coloured him in. I didn't do the golf bag, so I've already got 2 there, and there's no real words that are like golf related. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh gosh. So I stamped, coloured him in, cut him out. I've cut out some embellishments off the paper I've got here, some tees and some golf balls. And then I've got white brads because, you know, they look like golf balls. Baby golf balls, miniature golf balls for fairies or something, I don't know, but anyway. And some white sparkly brads, because how often do we use brads anymore? We've all got a heap in our stash and never think to use them. So that is what I'm doing. Now, I'll talk about the photos when I get on with the layout. So my base page, or the base layer, is going to be this blue. And in Angie's sketch, she has like layers. So I'm just going to tear strips as my layers, and we'll see if that works. Fingers crossed. Now this play golf paper, that's the one that I cut apart for my golf balls and my tees. I'm just going to leave that aside because I don't know whether I'm going to need more. And the other piece of paper I have is this one that's got all golf sayings on it, and these are old. Moxie.com. I don't even remember that company. They're single-sided, so, and they're really thin, but you know. Alright, so I'm just going to tear strips of these, and I actually want this one because I want to see the white on it. So yeah, I might speed this up because, you know, I get stage fright. I don't know. I was going to talk about the photos. I don't know what to talk about, but I guess I can talk about the photos and then maybe speed you up for some of it, because you don't want to sit here and watch me tear paper, do you? Anyway, so while I'm doing this, these are the photos. They are various golfing things, and I am a mad keen golf fan. I never used to be. When I met my husband, he likes golf and used to watch it and play occasionally. And I always thought it was really boring, and I couldn't stand it when he watched golf. I'd go and do something else because it's like, oh, I can't stand golf. And then something happened, I don't know, maybe not quite, it's probably since we've moved up here to Brisbane it happened. I don't know why. But yeah, so probably about 8 years ago I started to take an interest in golf, and now I am a mad keen golf fan, and I watch it more than he does. I have my favourite players, and I watch just every golf tournament that's on TV. And yeah, just really keen golf fan. So you know, I keep him updated with what's happening in the golfing world and who's injured and who did well and who's not playing well, and you know, keep an eye on the leaderboards and keep him updated. He probably thinks he's created a monster because, yeah, all of a sudden I just really love watching golf. So I've been known to sit up really late into the night watching a tournament or waiting, you know, for the final hole to see who's going to win. And yeah, and because most of them are played in the Northern Hemisphere, so the times for us down here in Australia are not great. So we don't get to see much live. Very rarely do we get to see the final hole. But I will stay up as late as I can to try and watch some of the round. So, and I love the Ryder Cup and all the Masters, everything. So, yeah, really, really love watching golf. Don't play it. I've never swung a golf club. I think I'd probably do myself an injury if I tried. Hubby does want to go to a driving range, but I'm just really worried about my right arm because I do have a rotator cuff injury, and I don't know how I got it, but anyway, I got it. And I'm really worried that if I, you know, try and swing a golf ball, something's going to happen and it's not going to end up good. Anyway, so that is it. That's the story. They're my photos. And I am now going to speed you up because I think I want to ink around all these, and you're not going to want to sit there for 20 minutes watching me ink around all these papers. So I'll speed you up and I'll come back at the end. Okay, there is my completed layout. And oh my gosh, do you have days like I just had making this layout? Oh, far out. What could go wrong did go wrong. I don't know if you saw, if you noticed, but I put the paper down, it didn't quite sit right. I tried to pull it off and it tore the blue paper on the background. Oh my gosh. Then I put my first lot of splotches down and they were too pale, so I went, okay, I will use a spray and just tap off the end, and it didn't want to tap and I made a mess everywhere. You can see like splots still on my table. I think I got more splots on the table than I did on the layout, but anyway, it is done. I decided to make a journaling card down here because the paper's really busy and there was nowhere left after I put everything on to write my story. So I added a little journaling card down here, just quickly a bit of white scrap cardstock, edged it with the ink and then just stamped in the same ink that I used for all the edging, just the golfer and the golf bag. Quite simple. I didn't want it stark white to stand out. I did want it to blend in somewhat, so I think that works. Yeah, a couple of photos look crooked, but anyway, I'm hoping that the torn paper distracts enough so that you don't notice the photos are crooked. In the end, you don't see a lot of what's on this green paper, but I guess, you know, I still used it. I was hoping to be able to see fairway, but then I realised if I put the photos down so that you could see that word, then I wouldn't have any room for the heading, and I wanted to keep to the sketch and put the title down on this corner. So I think I've done okay with the sketch. I used the inspiration of the layers for my background torn layers. I have up here a little embellishment cluster which mimics this little bit up here. I've got 4 photos instead of 3, and they're not on the angle, they're just straight. And I have my title here, like I said, and my little embellishments would be here, my little golf bag, I guess, and my journaling is going to be in the same spot. So it worked out in the end. If you have any questions or any comments, please pop them below. And if you have enjoyed this layout, please give it the thumbs up so that I know that you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to see what everyone else is doing. There will be a playlist in the description box below for the 30 days of sketches. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And thank you so much for all my new subscribers. I've had a really big jump in subscribers lately, so I appreciate you, and I thank you for coming and watching what I do. And I hope you get even just one scrap of inspiration from each layout that I do, then I'll be happy. Or even if it inspires you to go away and start creating, then that makes me very happy. That's it from me, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.